Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add pricing table for your site in Weebly. So let's start. Let's delete this one here. First, what you want to do is just scroll down on the video you're watching right now in the description and click on the link on the description. When you're gonna click on it, you will get it here in L-Site. L-Site is a good site with a lot of widgets that you can use, and one of them is pricing table. Now just click here on sign up for free and create an account with Gmail, for example, or Facebook. It's up to you. When you will have it, then just click here login. In login, you want to write here pricing, and you're going to see here pricing table. Click on create a widget. And first, you have options, 4 of them. Pricing columns, service plans, or pricing grid. I really like this pricing grid. Now, continue with this template. And you can choose the layout between columns, table, or grid. I will leave the grid now. You can choose change the skin, but I think this one is like one of the best. So when you have it, let's go to content. First we see basic. So basic, we see like you can change the price, bill monthly, bill yearly. You can really change whatever you want. Then you got title, basic, okay, you got features, again you edit everything, and then you got picture that you can change and insert something else there. So when we have the content, we got appearance, picture, title, features, price, again same things. Let's increase the size of it, okay, and when we have it, now, let's just click here on save. Okay, before that, you have option to choose the plan. You can start with light and that's 200 views per month, or you can go with the basic and that's $5 a month. Or you can get all applications for like $15 a month and you get all 70 of them, like a lot that you can really test everything. So when we have the code here, let's go here and let's embed the code into our site. And when we have it, let's edit the custom HTML. And voila, we got it. And now you got it. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to give you feedback and help you. And yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye. And of course, yeah, test every application here that you like and you can get all apps for $15 a month. That's really great. Goodbye.